Are you looking for a fun and delicious and super easy to make to boot treat for Mother's Day? I've got a really neat idea for you to try. Hi, it's Hani from Haniela's here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this recipe, we're going to make adorable strawberry tulip cookies. So let's get started. First, we're going to prepare our strawberry slices. To avoid excessive amount of juice on our cookies, we're going to partially dry the slices first in the oven. You want to slice them thinly and then place them on a baking sheet, ideally lined with a silicone mat, or you can use a parchment. Also, if you want to make these look like little tulips, use a pointed cutter and trim the top. Aren't they adorable? After about 45 to 60 minutes, they're gonna look like this. And we can now prepare our cookie dough and use these strawberry slices to embellish the cookies. I'm starting with room temperature butter. You want to beat the butter for about 20 seconds and then we can add our sweetener. I'm going to use powdered sugar. For those of you who would like to get a printable recipe, you can also visit my blog, hanielas.com. You can find a full link to the blog and to this recipe down below in the description box. I'm using 1 whole egg, and we're going to also add some flavorings. You can flavor your cookie dough with any flavoring you'd like. I'm starting with vanilla extract. You can also add, if you'd like, some lemon zest or orange zest. When adding zest, I like to add minimum 1 tablespoon just to get that flavor in there. And now all we have to do is get our dry ingredients. So into the flour, I'm adding a little bit of salt. I'm using all-purpose flour. And we're going to add dry ingredients into the butter in 3 additions. You want to beat the mixture on low speed until you have large chunks of dough formed. And then you can dump it onto your work surface, gather it into a disc. We're going to roll the dough right away to about 1/8 of an inch, a little over 3 millimeters. And I'm going to then chill the dough for about 45 to 60 minutes. This dough, because it has powdered sugar, it produces super tender cookie dough, kind of like a, with that melt in your mouth feel. I'm using rolling guides on each side, and now we're going to slide it onto a large tray, and it goes into the fridge. Normally when I decorate cookies with royal icing, I roll the dough slightly thicker to 1/4 inch, but because these are not going to be decorated with icing, 1/8 of an inch, it's perfect. I'm also using marzipan to make the leaves. If you don't have marzipan, you can just color portion of the dough. This is about 1/4 cup. I highly recommend that you wear gloves when coloring dough because you're gonna stain your hands. I've done that multiple times and it's not fun to clean. I'm going to roll this out very thinly, and then with a small cutter, this is a fondant cutter, actually a rose leaf, we're going to cut out these cute little leaves. Now to make the stem, take a piece of colored marzipan and shape it into a snake like so. Oh, I love this shape so much, this large scalloped edge round cutter. It's such a beautiful shape. We're going to transfer the cookies onto the baking sheet, and then we can use our strawberry slices to decorate the cookies. I'm using just a touch of water to make sure that everything sticks onto the surface. And same with the marzipan. You can see that I made creases in the leaves. Don't bother doing that because as marzipan bakes, they're going to puff up, and that little crease you make in a leaf, it's going to get lost. So there's no need for that. We're going to bake these in the preheated oven at 350 degrees of Fahrenheit, which is 180 degrees of Celsius. For about 7 to 8 minutes. Once these are baked, let them cool slightly on a baking sheet and then transfer them onto a cooling rag. Aren't these gorgeous? I absolutely love how these turned out, and they're so delicious with a touch of marzipan. Super yummy. For a full recipe, you can visit my blog, honeylas.com. And for a bit of sparkle, you can also add gold luster dust. I'm just spraying the cookies with my spray pump. I love this stuff so much. I use it in cookie decorating. If you enjoyed the tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Happy Mother's Day!